In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a rental on Zillow. If you're in the market for a new place to live, and Zillow is your go-to website, then this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through the entire process, so by the end, you'll feel confident navigating the rental application process. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. It's a quick and reliable way to access Zillow if you don't already have it bookmarked. In the search bar, type Zillow and press enter. You'll see a list of search results. Look for the one labeled Zillow, Real Estate, Apartments, Mortgages and Home Values. It should be one of the top results. Click on it to visit the Zillow homepage. Once you're on the site, either log into your existing account or if you don't have one, create a new account. Signing up is easy. Just follow the instructions on the webpage. Having an account is crucial because it unlocks features like saving searches and receiving alerts for new listings. With your account ready, let's move on. Click on the Rent tab at the top of the page. This will direct you to the rental section of Zillow. Here you can see various listings across different locations. To refine your search and make it more relevant to your needs, click on All Rental Listings. This provides a full view of available properties. To tailor the listings even further, use the filters provided. You can set your preferred number of bedrooms, budget range, property type, and more. These filters are vitally important to ensure you only see places that suit your needs and preferences. After you've configured your search, scroll through the listings until you find a property that catches your eye. When you've made your choice, click on the rental you're interested in. This will take you to a detailed page with more information about the property. On this page, you'll find the option to Request to Apply. Click on this button to move forward with your application. Zillow will then prompt you to enter your phone number. This step ensures that realtors can contact you regarding your application. Next, you'll be asked to complete an application. You have the option to write a custom application or use Zillow's default one. If you choose to write your own, be sure to include relevant details that will make your application stand out to landlords. Once you're satisfied with your application, finalize the process by clicking Send Request. And there you have it. You've just completed your rental application on Zillow. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made the rental process on Zillow straightforward and stress-free for you. Stay tuned for more helpful videos, and good luck finding your new home.